Prepositions and articles are used in many English sentences, but some students get confused on their use. Some of the most common are a, an, and the.
Hey Mithaq, hey Shingu.
Hi Mohammed, how are you doing?
Good, thank you. Oh, excuse me Mithaq, but there's a large spider on your shoulder.
Really? Oh, kill it! Kill it! Ah,
No, don't kill it. I will catch the spider and put it outside.
wow, thanks. Hey, why did you say a spider, not the spider?
We use the in English to signal the only one. If there were only one spider on all the earth, then I would have said the spider. However, there could be millions of spiders out there.
Actually, billions. However, perhaps he said a spider because there is another spider on your right shoulder.
Oh no!
Alright, more preposition and articles. And now, what about the difference between the use of a and an?
Wow, you guys won't believe it. There's an elk walking around on campus.
Wow, really?
You know, the other day I saw a bear near my dorm room.
Hey, why did you say an elk and she just said a bear? Aren't they both just one animal?
In English, the difference is whether the animal starts with a vowel sound.
What's a vowel?
Oh, that's one of the 5 key connector letters in English alphabet. You know,
A, E, I, O, U. Most all of the words in English have a vowel.
Okay, but what's the difference when you use a and an?
If the animal, which is a noun, starts with a vowel sound, then we use an. For example, an elk.
An elk. How about an elephant?
good. But if the animal or noun start with a consonant, that's any English letter that is not a vowel, then we say a.
Oh, for example, a squirrel.
You've got it. Now, what kind of animals could we see on campus that start with a vowel sound?
Well, the other night I saw an owl in a tree by the cafeteria.
Good, but why did you say the cafeteria and not a cafeteria?
Actually, because there is only one cafeteria near my dorm.
Now you're getting it.
Oh, cool. Good work, student. But what if we use an adjective in front of the noun?
Hi guys! So, how did you guys do in Chem 101 test yesterday?
Oh man, that was an awful test.
Yeah, that was a difficult test.
Oh, just a minute. The other day, you guys told me that if the noun starts with a vowel, you say an, but you just said an awful test. Test doesn't start with a vowel.
No, but awful start with a vowel, and that's an adjective.
Yeah, and difficult starts with a consonant, and that's also an adjective.
What's an adjective?
An adjective is a word that describes a noun. For example, that's a cool shirt he's wearing.
Yeah, that is cool.
So, because you said cool and that starts with a consonant, you said a cool shirt.
Right, but if I said an orange shirt, we use an because that's an adjective starts with an O.
But what if the noun, the adjective is describing starts with a vowel? You know, like exam instead of test.
In English, whatever the next word starts with determines whether you use a or an.
So, for example, an exam or a difficult exam.
Alright, you're getting it now, but by the way, how did you do on the Chem 101 test?
Oh, I got an A. It was an easy test.
What?
Well, I studied very hard all week.
Gee, I should try that sometime.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, come on.